Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to make a paper aquarium. As we all know that kids love fishes and aquarium also. In this video I will make an aquarium but with papers. First of all I will take different colors of sheets and will fold it like this to form paper fishes. I have taken 5 sheets of different colors. You can choose these color according to your desire or according to your choice. And after this I have folded these colorful sheets like this as you can see in this video. After this, now I will I will turn these folded sheets from center to form a fish like this, and after this I will join the mid edges with glue. You can use any sort of glue, right? After this I will put artificial eyes on the top of this folded paper, and of course for the tail of the fish I have cut it the paper triangle to form the tail of the fish. Now I have taken a blank white sheet, I mean the chart paper. Now I will draw some pattern to make it looks like the grass of a sea or river, and will color it with two different green colors. Now it will looks like this. This will look like the grass of the ocean. After this, I will paste the fishes that I have made before with glue on it, and also I will draw some bubbles with blue color of marker like this. Now I will paste these fishes with glue on this paper. After pasting fishes on this chart paper with glue, I will again draw some bubbles on fishes, on top of fishes. Then I will take a green color of heart chart to make a frame of the white chart. Now at the end I will paste the white chart on which I have pasted the fishes. Now I will paste the white chart on a green chart to make a frame of the white chart, or to make it more beautiful, more authentic. Hope you guys liked my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for my motivation. Keep supporting. Bye bye.